Hazrat Abu Ishaq reports that he heard Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu narrating the hadith. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu purchased a litter from Hazrat Azib radiyallahu anhu. So I carried it and set out along with him. Hazrat Azib radiyallahu anhu asked him about the Prophet's Hijra journey. He said, the people were in our pursuit. So we left the cave at night and went on proceeding for a night and a day, till it was noon. We sighted a huge rock, so we came close to it and it cast some shade. I spread Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam a sheet which I had, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam lay thereon. I moved around to have a look around and sighted a shepherd who was coming from the front and was in need of the shade of the rock like us. I asked him, whose slave are you? He said, of so and so. I asked, do your goats give milk? He replied in the positive. I then inquired, can you milk the goat? He said, yes. He then caught a goat of the flock. I said to him, wipe its teats. He then drew a bowl full of milk. I had a small water vessel for Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It had water in it, and its mouth was tied with a piece of cloth. So I mixed a little water with the milk, which cooled it to the bottom. I then brought it to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, take the milk. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam took it to such an extent as I became joyous. Thereafter we set out, whereas the search parties were chasing us. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3917.